made you breakfast, fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us, we got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys. I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a bear.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a lot different than what I normally do, but I wanted to share a full CARAWAY cookware review with you. I've had tons of you ask me whether or not this set is worth the money, because it's lots of fun to pick out the color that matches your kitchen, and it's got a storage kit, but is it worth the money as far as the actual quality of the pans? So I'm gonna give you all of the details about the wear and tear and all of that jazz today. And I also wanna share the bakeware set from CARAWAY because we're loving that. But I'm gonna give you a very honest review, and I've actually never done a review video on my channel before, so you know for a fact that I would not do this unless I really cared about the product, and CARAWAY just happens to be one of the things that we really love. Another thing is, my mom has been collecting cookware for years. She's asked for it for like every Mother's Day and every birthday since I was a kid, and CARAWAY is by far her favorite. We got her a set and she loves it. So she's a huge fan of CARAWAY. I'm a huge fan of CARAWAY. My husband loves CARAWAY, and you can't beat the fact that you pick your color and it has a whole storage kit. So it's just such a great product, and that's why I'm here today to tell you all about it. I'm not just gonna go on and on about how great it is. I'm also gonna tell you some cons, but there's not very many, I gotta tell you that. So, CARAWAY is awesome because it's 100% non-toxic and non-stick. It's got a ceramic coating and your food slides right off of it. A lot of people will say, well, what about the non-stick this, non-stick that? This is the best pan I've ever had as far as non-stick goes. And before we had these pans, we actually had another high-end set of pots and pans, and it said it was non-stick, and we had the worst trouble with it stuff sticking. With these, you cook your food, and you could literally take a paper towel and wipe it off and put it back in the cabinet, because that's how well it works for the non-stick feature. So we love that. I also love that they're super thick. Let me show you that. They are super thick, and so it's a really great heat regulator. If you're cooking like panko chicken and you have your heat on of 5, it's not gonna burn your chicken. That's another thing that I had a bad experience with the other pots and pans that we had. These are amazing heat regulators, super thick, really good quality pans. I also have to say, the paint has not chipped on any of these, and we've had them for 4 months, and we use them every day for like every meal of the day. Will and I both work from home a lot of the days, a lot of the time, so we're both using this fry pan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. So these pots and pans get heavy usage and no paint chip. I will say, however, the bottom of the pans, most of them look really great still after 4 months of usage, hardly any damage. But we do use this fry pan the most for grilled cheese and everything. You name it, we cook it in this from breakfast to dinner every single day, and it does have a little bit more wear and tear on the bottom, but I feel like that's with any pot and pan, you're gonna have that. And also, I've heard somebody say that you can take a magic eraser to that and get it off. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm gonna try that and I'll get back with y'all. But overall, these pans hold up so well. Not only is the CARAWAY cookware 100% non-toxic and non-stick, but it also comes with this amazing storage set. So these are individual and they magnet together, and they fit perfectly in our builder grade cabinet. So if you have smaller cabinets, it will still fit in your cabinet. And I love that. You just put this whole set in there and it looks so nice. And if you have a set that matches your kitchen, you can actually scoot it up against your wall in your kitchen and use it as decor. I've seen people do that. I think it's awesome. I kind of want to get a white set for our kitchen to display in here. I feel like that would be so pretty. So I may end up doing that, but you can also store these away in your cabinet. They fit perfectly. We're loving our new bakeware set, and it comes in a beautiful canvas tote to store your pots or your pans. And I love that because a lot of times pans will get all jumbled up in either a drawer or a cabinet, and it's just not fun to untangle all of those pans. So I love that CARAWAY does all of the organization for you. It's mindless, you just throw it in your cabinet and you're good to go, and it looks beautiful. As for the lids, this is what the lid looks like. It comes with this canvas tote that you can hang on the cabinet. It's got 2 little holes there, and it only comes with 3 lids because one of these lids fits 2 of the pans. So we love this set. And a lot of times we'll have dinner going and we'll have water going in this to boil some noodles. We'll have our meat going in here, our sauce in here, and our side dish in here, and we'll just have all of our pots and pans going at once. So these pans get such heavy usage, and I have to say they have held up so well. So we love CARAWAY. I cannot recommend it enough. Do your research. If you still want to come back and get a CARAWAY cookware set, use that 10% off link in my description box below. And thank you so much to CARAWAY for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.